Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you honest, in-depth beauty reviews. Let me ask you, have you ever noticed how often we forget about our cuticles until they start to crack and peel? If you're someone who's been struggling with dry, brittle nails or just can't seem to find a product to repair those cracked cuticles, today's review could be exactly what you've been looking for. Introducing the Deborah Lippmann Cuticle Oil, a deeply hydrating nail care treatment designed to heal and protect dry cuticles, all with the help of nourishing ingredients like vitamin E and coconut oil. This 0.50 fl bottle promises to restore your cuticles and maintain healthier nail growth with just a few drops a day. Let's see if this little bottle lives up to the hype. First things first, the application is incredibly easy. You only need 1 drop for each cuticle, and the formula absorbs quickly, no greasiness lingering behind. It's ideal for someone with a busy lifestyle who doesn't want to wait around for product absorption. For those of you who are juggling multiple things at once, this is a huge bonus. The real beauty of this product lies in its ingredients. Coconut oil is known for its deep moisturizing properties, which help to soften and nourish dry skin. Vitamin E, rich in antioxidants, works to promote healthy skin and nails. Then there's Jojoba Seed Oil, which is a hydrating powerhouse that also helps to protect your cuticles from splitting or peeling. All of these work together to ensure that your cuticles stay moisturized and that you're promoting healthier nail growth overall. Now let's get into real-world testing. I've been using this cuticle oil for a couple of weeks now, and let me tell you, it's been a game changer for me. I've struggled with dry, cracked cuticles in the past, especially during colder months. This oil absorbs so quickly, which means I can apply it multiple times a day without feeling like I've got oily fingers. I've found that it also helps maintain my nails' strength, preventing them from splitting or peeling as much. After using it consistently, my nails definitely look healthier and less brittle. Of course, no product is perfect. While it works wonders for my dry cuticles, I've found that the oil can solidify in colder temperatures. Nothing alarming, but something to keep in mind. It doesn't affect performance at all. It's just a natural change due to the product's ingredients. Now, let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, this oil absorbs quickly, smells light and refreshing, and offers visible results after consistent use. It's hydrating without being heavy or greasy, making it ideal for daily use. Plus, with just 1 drop per cuticle, a little goes a long way, making the bottle last quite a while. On the downside, the small bottle size, 0.5 fl, could be a con for some users. If you're using it several times a day, you might go through it quicker than expected. Also, while it solidifies in cold temps, you do need to warm it up a bit before applying. It's a minor inconvenience, but something to be aware of. Now, in terms of value for money, this product is on the pricier side compared to drugstore alternatives. However, the quality of ingredients and its effectiveness in promoting healthier cuticles and nails justifies the price, in my opinion. The bottle may seem small, but the oil lasts longer than you'd expect, and the results speak for themselves. If you're looking for an investment in healthier nails, I'd say it's worth it. When it comes to alternatives, there are definitely cheaper cuticle oils out there. However, I haven't found many that feature this high-quality combination of coconut oil, jojoba seed oil, and vitamin E. If you're willing to sacrifice some natural ingredients, you might find a more budget-friendly option, but you may not get the same benefits. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and functional. The dropper makes application easy, and the design feels very premium. The small bottle is convenient for travel too. As for longevity, I've noticed that it lasts for hours after application, but you'll need to reapply throughout the day for maximum hydration. I wouldn't say it's a product you only need to apply once a day, especially if you're looking for healing for damaged cuticles. The formula has remained effective even after consistent use, so I'm confident in its long-term performance. I haven't had any direct customer service experience with Deborah Lippmann, but the brand has a solid reputation for quality and customer satisfaction. If you were to run into any issues, I'm sure their team would be responsive. To wrap up, if you're someone who is struggling with dry or cracked cuticles, Or if you simply want to maintain the health of your nails, the Deborah Lippmann Cuticle Oil is an excellent choice. It hydrates, strengthens, and protects without leaving a greasy residue behind. While it's on the pricier side, the benefits of the nourishing ingredients are clear. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.